Hey flock, Ariel over here with actually a video of a bunch of little birds today. These are all ones that I got some, I thought, nice little video clips of, but most of them were very short. A lot of these smaller birds don't sit still for very long at all. It's hard to get more than a few seconds of filming at a time with any of them. But I really enjoy watching these little guys. They're so cheerful, they're so happy, they're all so different. I like hearing their songs, and I thought you all might enjoy them as well. So in this video, you'll see a little compilation of a wren, a dove, some kind of a little sparrow. There's a lot of different kinds of sparrows, and a flicker, the biggest of this bunch, which is in the woodpecker family. Enjoy! Hey folks, this is Ariel. I love capturing the natural beauty and wonderful wildlife I'm surrounded by and getting to share those moments with others. If you're interested in more of my work, click the circle to subscribe, and to follow my photography or purchase photos, check out the links below. Thanks for watching.